Right now, we're seeing a notable sentiment score of -0.60 for software, with momentum sitting at an alarming -0.71 over the last 24 hours. This isn't just a dip, it's a significant deviation from our historical baseline. The negativity suggests a sudden shift in perception, likely driven by recent events or releases in the software sector. Our API returns detailed sentiment analysis, including insights across 18 semantic clusters, allowing you to dig deep into specific areas of concern or interest. Imagine using this data to adjust your development roadmap, prioritizing features or fixes that directly address user concerns highlighted by the sentiment analysis. For more insights and to integrate this powerful tool into your workflow, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.